Hello everyone. In this video we will explain how to adjust your camera settings for shooting videos or taking photos at the highest possible resolution. It's a very simple way to turn your phone into a professional camera. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video. Before we start the explanation, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it. Let's begin the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to open your camera app. After opening the camera, we will select video mode. Then we click on the video settings icon. Then we scroll down and you will find the resolution setting. Always choose the highest resolution available on your device. The resolution varies from phone to phone. Good devices usually have higher resolutions. So always choose the highest resolution available. After that, we go back and then switch the camera to photo mode. Then we will click on the settings icon again and scroll down. We will find the resolution setting there as well. Always choose the highest resolution available. You will then notice a significant difference in your video and photo quality. For any questions, problems, or suggestions, please write them in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video, God willing.